What device connects a second trailer in a doubles combination? Converter dolly. This device allows a second trailer to be towed by connecting it to the first trailer. Let's continue with another important detail. How do you confirm the dolly kingpin is locked? Visually inspect the locking jaws around the kingpin. A visual check ensures the jaws have securely locked around the kingpin, preventing uncoupling. Moving on to the next question. Before driving a double trailer rig, you must perform a service brake test on all trailers and dolly. Each part of the rig must be tested to ensure proper brake function across the full combination. Let's look at another one. To test emergency brakes on a triple combination, you apply the emergency brake control and check for immediate air loss and trailer brake application. This confirms that the emergency brakes engage properly when air is lost. Let's keep it going. Which action verifies both trailers are properly coupled? Visual check of fifth wheel and dolly locking mechanisms. And seeing that both locking devices are secured is the most reliable confirmation of coupling. Here's another. When inspecting airlines on a converter dolly, you must ensure both supply and emergency lines are securely connected. Disconnected or loose lines can cause total brake failure. Let's move to the next point. Where should the tractor fifth wheel be positioned when adding a second trailer? Locked in the rearward slide position. This position provides room for the dolly to attach safely. Next question coming up. When backing a doubles rig, your initial steering motion should direct the first trailer toward the direction you want the second trailer to go. Controlling the first trailer's movement helps guide the second trailer in the desired path. Let's see what's next. During a pre-trip, dolly tires and wheels should be inspected. At every inspection, like any tire, dolly wheels must be checked for inflation and damage before each trip. Here comes another. The safety chains on a converter dolly prevent separation if coupling fails. They act as a secondary safety measure in case the main coupling disconnects. Let's keep going. On a sharp right turn with doubles, the tractor's right front tire should be close to the curb without crossing it. This positioning helps prevent the rear trailers from hitting obstacles or curbs. On to the next one. To uncouple the second trailer from the dolly, you should chock wheels, lower landing gear, then disconnect airlines. Securing the trailer first prevents it from rolling during uncoupling. Another question coming up. Records for double trailer inspections must be kept for 30 days. These records help ensure regular and documented maintenance compliance. Let's move on. Safe maximum speed for doubles triples is generally lower than for a single trailer. Longer and heavier combinations require more time and space to react. Keep going. On a steep downgrade, you should shift to low gear and use engine braking. This reduces wear on the brakes and helps maintain control. Let's continue. If the dolly emergency airline disconnects in motion, the result is trailer emergency brakes apply. This feature is a safety measure designed to stop the trailer automatically. Next question ahead. Before coupling in cold weather, you should heat the fifth wheel and dolly plate to clear ice. Frozen parts can interfere with proper coupling. Here's another key question. Applying the brakes slowly on doubles helps prevent jackknifing and separation. Gradual braking gives the entire vehicle time to respond evenly. Let's see the next one. Before uncoupling a rear trailer, wheels must be chocked. In front and behind each tire, chocking both sides ensures the trailer doesn't roll during uncoupling. Onward to the next. On triple combinations, which brakes must be checked? All trailer and dolly brakes. Each unit has its own braking system that must function correctly. Let's check another. Correct sequence to couple two trailers is tractor, first trailer, dolly, second trailer. This order provides a stable foundation for safely connecting all parts. Next question. Unsafe pushrod travel on S-cam brakes is anything over 1 inch. Excessive travel indicates worn brake components. Here's the next. If a fifth wheel locking jaw is loose while coupled, you must stop, chock, and repair before moving. Driving with a faulty coupling can result in trailer separation. Keep going. In curves with doubles, you should slow before entering and maintain steady throttle. This keeps the trailers aligned and reduces the risk of rollover. Let's see the next one. Minimum clearance between dolly tandems must be 40 inches. This space prevents contact between trailers during turns or stops. Next up. To prevent a jackknife when backing doubles, you should Back slowly with small corrections. Slow and steady input helps maintain trailer alignment. Let's go on. Converter dolly emergency control requires both supply and emergency air lines. Both lines are needed to fully operate the dolly's brake system. Another one, when uncoupling the lead trailer from a triple, you must chock wheels, drain trailer air, then lower landing gear. This ensures the trailer won't roll or collapse during uncoupling. Here's the next. Tractor protection valve should be tested during every service brake test. It's essential to confirm the valve will close if trailer air pressure drops. Let's keep going. A sudden air pressure drop indicates leak in trailer or dolly air lines. Sudden drops typically point to mechanical failure or disconnection. Almost done. Converter dolly landing gear must be fully raised and locked after coupling. This prevents the gear from dragging or catching during transit. Next one. Overloading the rear trailer results in increased sway and fishtailing. Too much weight on the rear trailer destabilizes the vehicle. Moving on. On triples, you need greater following distance because heavier load lengthens stopping distance, extra space allows for longer brake time, and safe reactions. Let's continue. Dolly suspension pre-trip inspection includes springs, U-bolts, and shocks. These components keep the dolly stable and properly aligned. Another question ahead. To check second trailer coupling, you should pull forward gently after coupling. This tug test helps verify that the coupling is secure. Just a few more. After a double trailer run, uncouple only in secure level area with wheels chocked. This ensures the trailer stays in place and avoids rolling. Here's the next one. Backing a doubles rig faster than walking speed is unsafe because sways and jackknives develop quickly, faster movements reduce control, and increase trailer swing. Nearly there. Fifth wheel locking mechanisms should be inspected daily during pre-trip. A faulty lock can lead to trailer detachment. On to the next. Converter dolly landing gear should be stored, fully raised and locked. Stowed gear prevents dragging and damage while driving. Final few. How do you verify emergency airline security on a triple combination? Tug on the glad hand connections. A physical check ensures the lines are firmly attached and sealed.